So the idea is we're going to turn and double stall, and turn and double stall, and turn and double stall. And in theory, you're double stalling behind your back. And what you're doing is you're coming from, so if you imagine yourself, let's say if you're in a together time, counterclockwise pinwheel, you're doing a double stall and switching direction. And then from clockwise, you're doing a double stall and switching direction. Now what's relevant about this, how you do it so that the two hands don't meet and hit each other, is that the hand that's on the home side, so my right hand on my right side, is going to come forward when it does the stall. So you're in your pinwheel and you stall, but as you stall, your hand comes toward this side so that your other hand, which is crossing, has space behind it to not tangle with it. And then same thing on this side, when you're doing it with your left hand is closer to your body so that your right hand has space farther from your body. The first drill, I would say, is, we're back to the basic stall drill with the circle, stall business, only up here. Stall, circle, 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 stall, circle. And 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. And then let's switch hands. Start with your right hand being counterclockwise, and out and in, 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 and 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, and last one, out and in. If you start in a together time counterclockwise pinwheel, and then as you go to the back, you stall to the right, and then from your clockwise, you go out, and then from your counterclockwise out. Now, I think this is just fine executed like this, but I think it tends to have more drama if you do things like lean into it, or if you turn your body 3/4 angle to it, so you look to the side. Although I really like to execute it as a turn into it. So I'm still going to stall to there, but when I'm to that side, which is what I did last time. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn into the stall, or turn into the stall. So you just do a bigger rotation where you turn and come around. So after you do the stall, you're going to pull your hands up and then do a circle and then stall the other way, and a circle and stall the other way, and circle, stall the other way, circle, stall the other way.